Good morning all, we're in Seven Kings, Ilford today. This is Matt from UK Carbon Cleaning. We're working for the Trade Centre, Seven Kings in Ilford. Okay, on this beautiful BMW 730 diesel. Unfortunately it wasn't well maintained by the previous owner. Lack of servicing caused it to be heavily clogged up. They've had it into the workshop and manually cleaned it out, but the mechanic has recommended a carbon clean service as well. So we're doing a 4-stage engine carbon clean service on this. Specifically, we've gone with a 4-stage because of the amount of gunk that was in the engine pre its manual clean. So for those of you that don't know, that's our hydrogen engine carbon clean, which is going on now. Goes in through the air intake and burns up the carbon. Our injector cleaner, our 3rd stage chemical cleaner, which actually goes in first. That basically burns up the oily gunk and dries out the carbon. And the 4th stage is a DPF regeneration aid, just to make sure that as the carbon comes out, it doesn't block up the DPF. So that's again a preventative tool. So that's our maximum high quality carbon clean service. Cost of this service is £179.99. If you need us for engine carbon clean services, DPF cleaning services, remapping or diagnostics, please give us a call on 01293 769495 or send us a message. Have a great day.